Wonderful teacher.
صح الحين اليوم ببدأ بهذا مرة أفتح هذا أنا عارفة هذا
Okay. اللهم إنا نسألك في النبيين والمرسلين. Let's start today. Inshallah, we have a quick revise on lesson 1. Plant parts. Plant parts. What about the plant? The plant have different parts. Yeah, you know that the plant have different parts. But first, let me show you this picture. Look between picture number 1 and try to compare between picture number 1 and number 2. This plant has stem, leaf, and flower. And this plant has a stem and only leaves, okay? So not all the plants have the same structure, grade 1. So when I ask you, do all the plants have the same parts? Of course, no. Not all the plants have the same part. They are different. Let's look at the plant part, okay? Number 1, it's a part under the ground in the soil with a brown color. This part's called root. So it's a root. It's a root. We can call plant part or plant structure, okay? What about the root? Root is a brown. Looks like hair. Root is a brown part. Looks like the hair in the soil and grow below the ground. Below the ground in the soil. What about number 2? Number 2 is a plant part. It's called stem. What about the stem? Stem is strong and tall. Stem is strong and tall. So it's a root and this is a stem. Root and stem. What the third part? The third part is the leaf. Leaf is green and curved. So leaf is green and curved. Leaf is green and curved. Green and curved, okay? What about the fourth part, flower? But not all the plants. Not all the plants have a flower. No, some of the plants have a flower. They need this flower, but others don't need the flower. So others don't have a flower. Other plants don't have a flower. Flower with different color. The flower may be pink, maybe blue, maybe red. So different colors, subhanallah, okay? So this is all of the plant part. What about the next lesson? Functions of plant part. What is the function of this part? Okay, so let's look again at the plant. The plant can divide it in 3 parts: root, stem, leaf. So root, stem, and leaf. Okay, what is the function of these parts? Function meaning the purpose of something. Functions meaning the purpose of something. So do you know this part? Of course, it's a root. What about the root? What is the function of the root? Number 1, the root collect water, like this is sponge. Collect water. So the root can collect water and hold the plant in the ground. Please keep yourself mute. Listen to me first, and then you will share or participate with me. So root can collect water, number 1. Number 2, can hold the plant in the ground. Hold the plant in the ground. So collect water, hold like this is sponge. Hold the plant like this boy. Now the boy hold the pencil. Also the root hold the plant in the ground. Hold the plant in the ground. Okay, what after the root? Okay, after the root we have, yeah. Okay, so after the root we have the stem. The stem hold the plant up. So the stem hold the plant up. The stem hold the plant up. What about the leaf? The leaf makes food from the sunlight. So the leaf makes food from the sunlight. The leaf makes food from the sunlight. Okay, now please grade 1, let's open your notebook. We will draw together. Okay, are you ready? Open your notebook. And open your video, open your camera, okay? We will draw together. Are you ready? Okay, first I will draw a... Yeah, okay, bring your notebook and let's